Hello friends, today's topic is how to lock your screen of your desktop or laptop just by using your mouse button, just like this. So that whenever you are in a hurry to leave your PC, you can just by double clicking the left mouse button, you can lock your screen. How I am doing this? Let's have a look. First, create a text file and copy the code. You can get this code by pausing my video and save it as a batch file. Suppose I am giving the name as log pc dot batch bat and select the type of the file as all files, then save. You can see batch file has been created. You can delete this one, it has no use. When you take the shortcut to the desktop, see shortcut has been come to the desktop. Now you can change its icon by going to the properties. You can take any symbol you wish to take from here. Take this as apply. OK. When you double click this one icon, your screen of your desktop or laptop will be locked, so that whenever you are hurried to leave your PC, you can do it in a simple way by using the mouse. Now if I will change the code, what will happen? Suppose you will change the name here. It won't work because the name which is registered in the registry folder of your Windows 10, it is given as a workstation. So you have to go to that code again and you have to write workstation. It will work only after typing workstation here. See, so there are a lot of advantages of using batch file. Now I'm going to show you one of the most important advantage of batch file. Suppose you have a member of 4 in your family and you want to secure your data from other family members. The data must be your important data of your work or your university, so that you have to keep it safe so that no one mess with this data and it won't destroyed by any means. You have to again create a text file, copy the code, and save it as a name log my folder. or any name you want to give, and give the file type as batch file. Select all files. You can see batch file has been created. Now you can just delete this one. I'm showing you the code of this one. See, I'm given the name of the folder as my confidential and took the password for the security unlock 123. Now when you double click this one folder, name it as a my confidential, will create. You can say keep your data here. Suppose I'm taking this one, copy this shortcut file and keep it here. Now when we again double click this batch file, it will ask, are you sure you want to lock this folder? Yes. Your file will be hidden now, and it is also password protected, because when you double click this file batch file to unlock your folder, it will ask you the password which you have provided in the batch file, but I am given unlock 123. Your folder will come again. If you give no, that it won't do anything to your folder. If you give Y, it only hide the folder. What if you will give the wrong password? Suppose I am giving 1 2 3 4 5 6. It won't open because you have given the password as unlock 1 2 1 2 3. It only open your folder. You can also change the password according to your age. Change to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and save. Now when you double click this one, it will ask whether you want to hide this folder as password protected or not. Again, when you will give the pass 1 2 3 4 5, then only it will open your folder. So in this way you can protect your files and any important data of your work or your education purpose. You can keep it secure in your own folder so that no one will mess with your data or any file. Thank you for watching my video.